Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your laptop supports widgets and opening settings now. This is essential because widgets rely on system services. Enable widget permissions and background refresh so they update reliably. Next, download the official widget app or store package. Avoid unknown sources. Once done, choose widget sizes, like 1x1 or 2x2, and decide whether you want them on the desktop, dock, or sidebar. This planning saves rearranging later. You now open the widget gallery or the app you installed and pick the widget you want. Press Add to place it. Drag the widget into position, using grid snapping or a 10px spacing rule to keep things tidy, and resize by grabbing the corner handles. Then make sure to configure its data source and refresh interval so information stays current. If a widget asks for permissions, grant only what's required. After configuration, watch it populate with live content. You finish by locking the layout or saving your workspace to avoid accidental moves when you work. If a widget shows blanks or stale data, first restart the widget process or the host app, then verify your network connection and data permissions. Many issues are just connectivity. If problems persist, reset widget permissions or reinstall the widget. That clears corrupted caches. One key troubleshooting tip: always check system battery or power settings. Background updates can be blocked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.